First day out on the reservoir. It's about 7:30 a.m. Saturday morning. No signs of life yet, but we'll keep trying. All the sawbellies were dead this morning across river. Had to get these shiners, so we'll see what happens. Not particularly my first choice of bait, but there's no sawbellies, so